Logic Pro X Quick Tip. Customize the look of the Logic interface for your personal choice. I know Logic doesn't give us much room for changing the look, but there are a couple of settings you can adjust, and I will show you them right now. 1. Go to Preferences, Display, General. I have checked all these three options here to basically make some parts of the interface a bit bigger, because I work on a Retina screen and I want things to be as clear as possible. As you can see, for example, here with the track inspector. 2. Preferences, Display, Tracks, Appearance. Here you can choose if you want new tracks to automatically get a color other than the default. You can also choose the background of the sequencer to be dark, bright, or a custom value. If you uncheck the automatic grid lines, you can also customize the look of the grid, like this. And if you work with loops a lot, I like having them shaded to better see which parts are loops and which are the original clips. So if you drag out a loop here now, you can see that it is shaded. Then if you go to the Editors tab here, you can also choose to have the background in the piano roll bright, if you prefer that. Alright, so those were some quick tips on customizing the look of Logic. Do you want to truly master Logic Pro X for composing and producing music? Then join my Facebook group Logic Pro X for Professionals right now.